today we had the mention before Honorable Wambo, and it's equally important to show my frustrations and to why the DCI did not get to appeal. This date was eventually taken under the court directions. And what is important for you to know today is that the court has accepted our application, whereby we have sought for summons against the DCI, the two officers who are handling this particular matter. And the reason for those particular summons, I want them to come and explain how my client's gadgets moved from the date they were arrested, from the 2nd of May, who actually recorded the particular gadgets in the inventory form. From the inventory form, who took custody of the said gadgets within the forensic department. Ideally, the reason why I'm stating the chain of custody is very important is because from the preliminary evidence that we do have about the spyware being in our client's gadgets, it's very, very important that we find the person who was actually responsible. As much as the DCI is a whole institution, there are people who are making decisions and they need to actually be accountable for those particular decisions. Something also which is very important, during our submission of the said application, rather bring the attention of this prior to the court, apparently this is an issue which is also expressed in another matter, whereby the DCI planted a bug in somebody's computer. I'm telling you, we have a serious problem of privacy being infringed in this country. And at this particular moment, if we do not get to address it right now, I can tell you, you will be under serious scrutiny from the government. You'll be listened to, you'll be tracked wherever, anyhow, without due process or due legal concerns being taken into account. So as for now, we do have a mention before Honorable Wambo on the 27th, on the 1st of October. So ideally right now, what we are looking for is for the DCI to actually come to court. Within the next 2 weeks, we will file those affidavits, we'll make it public. You'll get to know exactly how the spyware was put in the devices, how many devices were actually bugged, who actually, at what particular point was the devices accessed, how they copied the files and things like that.